The read method of the console class reads the next character from the standard input stream, waits for the enter key to be pressed, and returns its integer value representing the Unicode code point of the character. It reads only one character and ignores the rest of the input. To display the character read by the Console.Read method as text, you need to convert the result to a string. The Console.Read method returns an integer value representing the Unicode code point of the character. Since the result is an integer, it cannot be directly concatenated with a string as a character. To convert the integer back to a character, you can use a typecast with the char data type.